just give me an audition right now. They're sitting in the meeting. I said, okay.
As soon as he saw us, एक scene देखते ही, he was like, मुझे मिल गए.
भाई एक सेकंड कौन सी सीन की बात कर रहे थे? कौन सी सीन की? मैंने जी एक सेकंड.
Fortunately, and I'm so glad that I learned so much from Vicky. I learned so much from Alicia, and we were not stuck to our own ways. कि भाई मैं तो ऐसे ही करता हूँ.
Well, I would say, guys, firstly, welcome to Telly Chakkar. Congratulations, Akkar Bakkar, not Bombay Bo, but Rafu Chakkar, like a very good web series that we are waiting for. आप लोगों से अगर पूछूं, what is your expectation, firstly, from your characters, and why say yes for this series?
Yeah, Vicky, go ahead.
See, this was in 2020 post the first lockdown, and I got a call from Raj sir. राज सर के साथ मैंने पहले 2 एड फिल्म्स की हुई हैं, बट सडनली आउट ऑफ द ब्लू इट्स बीन लॉन्ग. तो राज सर का मुझे कॉल आया कि लाइक ब्रदर, आई एम मेकिंग दिस सीरीज एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस, एंड आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग इन माई हेड लाइक अ डायरेक्टर कॉलिंग मी एंड टेलिंग मी दैट आई एम मेकिंग दिस सीरीज एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस. He is so sure of me and he has put in so much belief in me, and I say, okay sir, done. Like, I don't even know what my character is. I don't even know what the story is. Then he says your character is Bhargav, and then I read the script and stuff. But that's I had no idea when I was asked to do this. I had no idea what I was getting into. So,
Wow.
but only because of one guy, his trust in me, and I was like, yeah, if you are putting in so much belief in me, then I will take the responsibility to give my best.
Okay, what about the other two? Like, what do you have to say about your being a part of the series?
So I did not know Raj sir before, so I met him only via first. Then they called me to the office after the audition and stuff. And कैसे कभी-कभी होता है ना, जैसे आप लोगों से मिलते हो and you realize that you're just at the right place. I've been giving auditions since years, and I've met people, and I've done small projects with different people. And you realize during the course of meeting the people, or also during the course of shooting and stuff, कि आप किस level के project में बैठे हो, sort of.
Yes.
So when I met Raj sir, Aman, and everyone else, I just knew okay, this I'm just at the right place, and he narrated the story to me. Then I just felt so good. मैंने कहा, this is so exciting. Anuj, of course, I contained all the excitement inside. And then I said, yes, of course, good sir, good, very nice. And but I just knew that I am going to be part of something exciting, because as he narrated it to me, of course, he was a very charged person, so he had goosebumps himself narrating it 50th time. But I also really felt good. This is something great. So I was glad to be a part of it.
Okay, let's ask the lady out there. Alicia, what was your,
Yeah.
what was your story? How was you approached for this one?
So I think one thing, just before I get into that, one thing that will be very common throughout actually the entire cast, I'm not only going to speak about Anuj and Vicky, but throughout the entire class, is that when someone puts so much trust in you, you're never in the position to choose, because someone is actually giving you the stature of trust that you need to hold up to. So I think Rato, Aman, and the entire team, Shiraj, everyone's put in so much trust in us that we were like, yes, this is what I want to do. It's not like, there was never a second doubt.
Okay.
But what my story was, Rathor and I have also worked on 2 ads together before. He actually gave me my first TVC, and he also gave me my first ever, big series out. I've done work before, but this is one of the biggest yet. So I think he's played a very vital role in my journey as well. So he did know of me. I did get a call from the casting, and I actually auditioned for another role before Ria. And when I auditioned for it, that's when they were sitting on the meeting, and they said, no, she's Ria. Just take an audition for Ria right now. And the casting person called me that second. They're like, just give me an audition right now. They're sitting in the meeting. I said, okay. Then they just came on Zoom, and they were like, okay. I said, but I want to give another take. They're like, no, we've got the Zoom recording. I said, I'll record from my end. And they know we've got it. And then they just showed it, and I think within that day they had creatively locked me. The next day they had commercially locked me. So I think it was his trust that he was so sure of us that we were overwhelmed. And especially coming from a background of not doing as much work before, and someone shows so much trust in you, you're just you don't choose in life. And he chose
Yeah.
us. So it was a huge.
Yeah.
In that regards,
ये
I would say
trust
that
की-
this was.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. What were you saying, Anuj?
No, I was just sharing a little story in the sense, अगर trust की बात हो तो जैसे विकी ने बताया, विकी and me performed a scene when I gave the audition. Vicky was also there. So सर ने बोला कि एक बार scene perform करो तुम ये वाला particular. As soon as he saw us, एक scene देखते ही, he was like मुझे मिल गए. So
He
that's the
was
kind of
sure.
trust.
Yeah.
Okay, in that regards, I would say when somebody has so much trust on you, you from your end want that आपका जो काम हो वो best होना चाहिए है. So I'm sure for your own characters, you guys did a lot of preparations. I'm guessing. So what was those preparations that went behind the making or maybe the building of your own characters?
I'm just gonna share a very small story. Um, especially because Bhargav, Siddhant, and Riya are supposed to be a childhood friend. So I think before at the rehearsals, we used to have rehearsals. We used to sit down, read the script, probably perform, take improvisations, try to get the character, not the script.
Yeah.
We were not attaining to the script as well. And the writer would be there, Aman would be there, and the director, Radha, would be there. Everyone would be there. But even after the reading, we would make sure that at least we bond to a level that the chemistry shows on screen. I've had, Anuj come over to my house and we just sat down and we improvised a date scene that probably 10 years before, what is the timeline that we were dating, some things are not written in the script. So you write it down, is Bhargav and Riya, is their relationship through Siddhant or was their relationship alag? Then we came up with a story in our head that maybe we were tuition friends and we were colony friends, and my father was really conservative, so they would get me things out, and that's how Bhargav made Siddhant and Riya made. So we made up so many stories at the back to show that kuch bhi karke, we need to look as one to show that it's been 10 years of friendship and not 2 days of friendship. So I think those are small little improvisations we used to do at each other's houses and outside.
Okay, what
No,
about you guys?
yeah,
What did you do for your character preparations?
अनुज ने तो पूरे ऐसे थे आई थिंक सिद्धांत रस्तोगी के ऊपर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. कैन यू हियर मी?
Yeah.
Hi,
Yes,
can you hear me?
you can. Yes. आपकी आवाज कट रही है थोड़ी सी, but I
Right.
can hear you.
So I remember अनुज
I have that book. I have that book still.
नहीं
जिसमें मैंने
so yeah. So I know.
remember.
So he came. We did a lot of workshop. I think we did about a month of workshop in December. And or see, for me, I'm like I'm very vocal. I need to be walking in the shoes of my character. And but लेकिन मैंने अनुज का देखा, अनुज पूरी बुक लिख कर आया, ऐसे लिख
ये मिल गया मुझे, मिल गया.
कैसा होगा उसका.
एपिसोड वाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
I swear, और एक दिन मैंने कुछ बोल दिया अनुज को कि यार ये मुझे कहता भाई एक सेकंड बात कर रहे थे कौन सी सीन की, मैंने जी एक सेकंड. And every time like one night before the shoot we would get our 2 days or whatever, we would get our sides for the next day, right? So at night we would be reading, अनुज ऐसे बुक लिखेंगे, कौन सी साइड लेना है, कर लिया मैंने.
That's my kind of
so,
preparation method. हाँ, तू पहले बता.
Very good.
हाँ, so yeah, I mean that was crazy, and I saw this book and I was like, oh shit, मैं अपनी जिंदगी में क्या कर रहा हूँ.
Seriously.
But like, so for me it's see, this is not my method. For me, I really need to like walk in the shoes of the person. I would derive कि वो चलता कैसे है, उसका बात करने का तरीका क्या होगा, उसका hair style क्या होगा, will he be clean shaven or not, will he look like a city boy, or will he थोड़ा सा put on किया होगा उसने. So fortunately for this, like I got to put on few pounds, not much, but and only not to look like a city boy. And चंडेरी के समोसे हमने खाए, बहुत मजा आया. And I could eat it, and yeah. Anyways, so sorry, I'm
Drifted.
So yeah, we actually we sat and we actually rehearsed our scenes so many times that I and every time when we used to rehearse, we would come up with something or the other, and these ideas would just click. and I'm so glad that I got to perform with both of them, because it's an actor's dream come true when you have equally as good actors to perform with, because it's not just possible with your own solo performance. There has to be a give and take, and I'm so glad that I could share it with both of them.
Yeah, तो ये लोग जो जिस चीज के थोड़े मजे ले रहे थे, I just have a way of preparing. So I've done a lot of theater, so we keep reading the scripts over and over and over. So of course we all read it together as well. लेकिन I made a point कि मैं लिख भी लूँ एक बार पूरी कहानी, so that it just comes मेरे if I rewrite it तो मुझे समझ आ जाएगा पूरी कहानी के अंदर मैं कहानी को कहाँ आगे लेके जा रहा हूँ. So I wrote everything from every episode का crux क्या है, and every episode where the episode A से B पे जा रहा है, and how I am taking from A to B. All these things, they have their own. Alisha had their own ways, and Vicky had their own ways. And fortunately, and I'm so glad that I learned so much from Vicky. I learned so much from Alisha, and we were not stuck to our own ways. कि भाई मैं तो ऐसे ही
Yeah.
करता हूँ. Because I'll be very honest. The way I prepared, there were a lot of obstacles also. And I was like, okay, I'm not able to understand this, and I talked to both of them, and they were like, how about you try this, and it worked. So during the entire course of this shoot, I've understood that everybody has their own way of working, and you can always mix and match different things as long as you can just find the right performance. So that's what I was doing. Yeah, Alicia, बोल ले.
I just want to add very small thing to him, since he said that all of us had a very different way of working. Like for example, I believe in my instinct more than I get flown in emotions in scenes. That's the way I perceive a scene, and he's the person who would probably really read between the lines before the scene. I would be like, okay, let me see what comes to me, and then I will take the scene somewhere. So I think we both, and actually we all three, or even the rest of the cast, we've learned so much from each other, because there would be times that Anuj would get stuck because of this way, and there would be times that I would not be able to comprehend the entire scene because of my this thing. So by the end of the shoot, we all learned so much from each other, that maybe yes, instinct is important, but probably preparation to this amount is important, and to know we've. We really found, like, I think this show also helped us grow as actors. So that's something
Absolutely.
that I would like to reiterate.
Absolutely.
Okay.
एक चीज और बोलता हूँ, sorry, बस
Yes, say
like
something.
I by the way, I was the one who took both of you out on a date so that we all could bond.
Yeah, these all things. These all
I
things
remember
are.
that time जहाँ पे
Yeah,
हम लोग
so we've done
we've done all of that, and
we've done all fun
yeah,
things and all serious things to get us together.
and we've become such great friends that we are obsessed with each other now, and yeah, our friendship is like none other.
Okay. In that regards, I would love to know here one thing that as you had said, Alisha, that शुरुआत में आप कोई और character को audition कर रही थी, and then they wanted you to play some other character because they found you to be fit for that character. उसी regards
Yeah,
में
I'm
अगर
not
आप लोगों को अब when you're done with the shoot, if you had to actually choose, or maybe if you could be given a chance to swap your characters with any other character, would you want to stick with your characters, or would you want to change your characters, and why?
I have to say, Anuj, go first.
Yeah, if I was a woman, I would choose a Swati's character any day. I think I really enjoy the character, the arc, and the energy that character has to. Of course, I really love the fact that I've played this character. This character will make you fall in love with him. But I really, if there's a chance to swap, and if you want me to play anything else, then yeah, Swati's character Radha, I guess it is fascinating.
Okay, what about you, Alisha? You would stick to your character, or you would want to stick to the first
I
character
love
that you were
Riya.
drawing to audition?
So I love Riya. I think I would play her even if I had a choice. But if I had to play another one, then it would be Shreya's character, Khushi. And I think we have spoken about it. I've spoken to Ratsa also about it, because we've had the same discussion there. I think Khushi's character, she's okay, I'm gonna, like, it's not a spoiler, but she's a Chupa Rustam. So that's something that I've always wanted to, like, there will be there's so much in her character that is not on the face, but there's so much happening at the back, and that's something that I would have loved to play. But I love Leah. Leah is very, I wouldn't say very close, but a part of her is close to who I am in life. So I would love to play. I have played Leah, and I would always play Leah. But yes, Khushi is someone that I would love to experiment with.
Okay, what about you, Vicky? Would you want to stick to your own character that you're playing, or you want to change it, like if given a chance?
Okay, I just want to say two things, but both are contradictory. मतलब मैं इंसान ही मतलब क्या तो पहली बार जब मुझे भार्गव का बारे में बताया गया कि भार्गव आपको करना है, तो मुझे साथ में 2 और स्क्रिप्ट आई थी, which was सिद्धांत एंड रॉनी. तो मैंने बोला ये क्यों दी है, मुझे तो सर ने भार्गव बोला था. एंड आई हैव नो आइडिया कि भार्गव कौन है, सिद्धांत कौन है, रॉनी कौन है. बट it's just somehow the first narration that not narration, he just said a couple of lines about Bhargav and I just connected with the character. और मैंने डायरेक्शन टीम को बता दिया मैं करूंगा तो भार्गव करूंगा वरना मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूंगा. Having said that, after now the shoot is over and everything is done, I think there are 3 scenes in the entire series which are my favorite and which are actually not my scenes. One of the scene is Siddhant's scene, and the other scene is Ronnie's scene. So I would definitely like to play Ronnie's character if given a choice, because I think it's pretty interesting. Like I feel like yeah man, Ronnie is so cool. I would like to be like Ronnie. Like he's like he's like the dark horse. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर बोलते हैं ना, बट लेकिन घर की मुर्गी एक्चुअली मुर्गी नहीं सोना है. So yeah, Ronnie's character is actually gold. Is very very crucial and vital to the entire team.
I'll ask you one last question out here. That the series is based on a bank scam, and हमारे पास, I mean, for me also, I keep getting these fake calls about you won this thing, or you have this credit card, ma'am. Can you approve the address and XYZ things? So has it ever happened that you guys have been scammed?
मेरे पैसे आज भी फंसे हुए हैं ऐसे ही किसी कोऑपरेटिव बैंक में.
दिल्ली का स्कैम तो कब का हो चुका है.
Okay, Anuj, what about you? Have you been scammed?
I've got calls, not once, maybe twice or thrice, and somebody is asking me that आप ये number दे देंगे, मैं यहाँ से बात कर रहा हूँ, and I've questioned him back, and he didn't give any answer. तभी very fortunately मेरा दिमाग चल गया कि okay, this is absolutely something that I shouldn't. तो I cut the call. लेकिन हाँ, scam हुआ नहीं, लेकिन यार करीब almost.
Okay, any parting words for your fans who are gonna watch Akkar Bakkar Rafu Chakkar very soon, 3rd November?
I guess all the fans will have full on entertainment watching this on Prime Video. I guess this is gonna give wholesome entertainment और छोटी दिवाली पर, जिसमें जैसे अलीशा ने बोला एक्शन है, ड्रामा है, कॉमेडी है, but it actually has all those things and it has a lot of soul. All the heart and soul will reach you and आपको अच्छा लगेगा. It will bring a smile on your face. It will give you happiness and आपकी दिवाली भी आएगी hopefully happy and thrilling बनेगी. So
hopefully नहीं,
November
होगी definitely
होगी. November 3 Amazon Originals, Amazon Prime. Yeah.
Right.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.